Hi Jake. How's it going?
Oh, hi Emma. Not so good. I have a headache.
Oh no. Do you want to sit and rest for a while?
Yes. Maybe that will help.
Take a break, Jake. You need it.
Thanks, Emma.
By the way, what do you do in your free time?
From time to time, I play football. And sometimes, I read books.
That's nice. I like reading too.
Really, what do you read?
Mostly stories about people who never give up.
That sounds interesting. I should read them too.
How about coffee? It will make you feel better.
Okay. A small cup, please.
So, who's your favorite movie star?
I like Tom Hanks. He is always so positive.
Oh, I like him too. He never gives up in his movies.
Yes, that's inspiring.
By the way, you should eat something. A piece of cake will make you happy.
Haha. You are right. I will take a chocolate cake.
Great. You need energy if you want to never give up. So, Jake, what's your challenge now?
I want to learn English very well. But it is hard sometimes.
Don't worry. You got this.
You really think so?
Of course. You just need to practice every day.
Okay, I will try.
That's the spirit. Never give up.
But sometimes, I feel tired and I want to stop.
That's normal. From time to time, everyone feels tired.
So, I just need to keep going.
Exactly. Step by step. Little by little. Let's practice English together.
Okay, I will try.
Repeat after me. I never give up.
I never give up.
Good. Now, I can do it.
I can do it.
Excellent. You see, it's not so hard.
Yes, a piece of cake.
Haha, exactly. Little by little, it becomes easy.
Emma, I feel better today. My headache is gone.
I'm happy for you.
You know, talking with you helped me a lot.
I told you, never give up, Jake.
Yes, I will remember that.
So, what do you want to do in your free time now?
I think I will read a story about a person who never gives up.
That's a great idea.
And from time to time, I will practice English too.
Perfect. That's the right way. Hi Jake. How's it going today?
I have a small problem. I forgot some English words.
Oh, don't worry. It's normal. You got this.
Really?
Yes. Remember, never give up. Mistakes are okay.
Okay, I will try again.
Good. Let's practice a little.
I don't remember the word.
That's okay. Take a deep breath. A piece of cake.
Haha, you always say that.
Because it works. Little by little, you learn.
You are right. I won't give up.
That's the spirit. So, Jake, what do you think about it?
About what?
About learning English.
I think it is hard but fun too.
Yes. And you are improving every day.
Really?
Of course. You got this, Jake.
Thanks, Emma. You always encourage me. Emma, guess what? I can read a whole English story now.
Wow. That's amazing. I knew you could do it.
Yes, I practiced every day. I never gave up.
I'm so proud of you.
Thanks. And from time to time, I remember your words, you got this.
Haha, yes. That's my favorite line.
And, I feel happy, a piece of cake.
Haha, exactly.
I learned something important.
What is it?
Never give up, even if it is hard.
Exactly. That's the key to success.
And, it's okay to take a break sometimes.
Yes, rest is important.
From time to time, I will remember this lesson.
That's perfect, Jake.
So, who's your favorite movie star now?
Still Tom Hanks.
Haha, me too.
We can learn from him too. Never give up.
Yes, we can do anything if we don't give up.